Okay, so can you see my screen? Can you guys see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, fine. So, uh, can you this this chart window is from Binance, and Binance use trading view feed for charting purpose. And today we are going to discuss about order tracking. Order tracking is very important, and final zone, we derive final zone using order tracking. So when we have to do order tracking, we look at the left area, right? And start from somewhere. There was some like pick out and engulf pattern. So if you think like if you take this like engulf, price going up, if you think this is engulf, then breakout will be at opposite side. So this will be our here. This was fake out. Price goes up, goes down. What we do, we use a manipulation zone, manipulation area to start our order tracking, right? So the format will be like uh, let's find the drawing tool use. Polygon, there was a polygon. Anyway, we look for the pattern like this, then like this, up, then come down, and then goes up again like this. What is this? This is our minor FTR. As we know, this is our minor FTR, and this one is our major FTR structure like this. Okay. Anyway, so we are going to find this structure like this. If you look at this, what is happening here? We are at early chart, and if we draw resistance like this, then what is happening here? Price is going up like this. Let's change color to yellow. Okay, that's then coming down like this, then going up again. Anyone else is recording this session?
Yes, I am.
Okay, fine. Please do recording, as it seems at my end system is hanging a little bit, as my system is running since morning. So maybe as it is hit some from inside. So maybe if my recording breaks in between, so yours will come handy. Okay, the price goes up, came and came down here like this, then goes up again or came down till here and goes up again like this, and then this goes up again like this. Okay, so we'll delete this, and as we have studied in last session the shortcut of finding FL, why we find FL, now you guys have must understood we find FL so we can find swaps, we can find DP, so we can find trade opportunities for entry and exit. So if we look at this move, this high came from here, this low to this high, this was the move. This was the move, fine. So what we do, we go to the left. From here we are going to the left and look at first candle which crossed it to upside. Just delete this. This candle crossed to the upside and then came back below this and goes up again, right? What we can call this, we can call this FL. Let's change the color. Okay, and let's extend it like, okay. So whenever in future price comes down and engulf it below, engulf it, price goes up and came down again and cross this low at downside. When price engulfed, this was the low created, right? Price goes up, came down again. So what will be our swap? Our swap will be this. We will go till the top, like right, this one. This is our swap. This was our downward swap. Price cross this FL to downside. So when price swap dip, now we'll call this swap or swap FL. Now what we will do, we will extend it to the right and see where the price crossed it again. Here price goes up, engulfed it, came back and goes up again. So goes up, made this high, okay, came back, goes up again and cross this high to upside. So here we have another swap, like this. Okay, like this to upside swap, and then again price came down, engulfed this rectangle, goes up again. So now our orders are here. Another swap is here. Right? Okay. Now we'll extend it Now the price crossed this again to upside here. Do you guys see how we do the order tracking using swaps? Goes to upside. Let's extend it to right and see where the price crossed it. Okay. So if we look at this, price came here, goes a bit up, only little bit up. So this will be our swap here. Okay. So we will extend it again here. So after that, price never came to here. So this was our latest swap. This is called order tracking, and we track the orders using FTR or FL, right? So guys, do you understand how we do order tracking? Any question? Any question from anyone?
Can you explain again for any particular zone?
So did you understand how we started the starting point, our initial point?
Yes, yes,
Okay.
yes, it's clear that starting point is clear.
Okay, so this one is our FL. This is clear or not?
Yes,
Okay, so
yes,
this
yes,
is our
it's
FL.
clear.
Okay. So what happened? The price goes up like this here. Okay, I will give example like
My question is, we can also consider for DP if this engulf.
DP is also FL. So yes, you can consider
Yeah.
DP as well.
Okay.
So this is not, this is
Okay.
just
Okay.
an
Okay.
example of how if we have to track the orders from the past. Okay, so if we have to
Okay.
find
Okay.
the,
Continue.
right, if we are trying to find
Yes.
something like, if you think like this, in intermediate and advanced sections we will be tracking orders most of the time, as the
Okay.
tracking orders matters the in market in real. Whatever setup is p price action, whatever you see they are created, they are the result of the order swapping, or but in reality the real zone we find using the order tracking, right? So if you see,
Oh,
price goes up, came down, goes up, right? So this is our
yes.
whole, price goes up till here, came down till here, like this. Okay, we change the color, this. So price goes up till here, came back here, right? Okay. So this one is the
Yes.
pullback. Price goes up till here, came back till here, goes up. So if we have to find an important zone or true zone here, price haven't reached to this area. So if
Yes.
we have to find an important zone, what we do, we look at the left. We look at the left here. When price has to go here, what we see, we will look at the left and further left. That's why if you look at the group banner or my profile banner, there is a quote, look left and further left. So we will look to find this important zone. If you look at this only, this move, okay, how you will decide which zone have importance? From here to here price drop, this was the highest point, this is the lowest point, price dropped from here, and we have lots of zones here, lots of zones, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one, and this one. So how we will find the important zones where we should look for the entry, right? These are the areas where we should look for the entries or some activities here. This one we found out, this one, right? So this was just
Yes.
an example. There are many ways to order tracking and finding the zones. We will discuss them later, but this is just a general idea how we track the orders. Okay.
Okay, got it. Okay.
If you look at here and go in past, do you find anything? Nothing. We have nothing. If we have nothing in left, so we have to start somewhere. That's why we started with this minor and major FTR. Where we have minor and major FTR. We start from there. Okay, this is our order tracking method. Any other question? Or we should move forward to
Yes, you can
MPL.
move.
Any question?
No.
Okay, good. So I will delete all this. Delete is some problem. No problem. Just do it like this.
Just one question.
Okay.
Can the swap FL, the new swap FL that is formed, can it ever go above the previous decision point? It is decision point that caused the FL to be broken. Can that swap FL be
Yes,
the,
you can use
okay?
any DPs are the lower time frame FL, and you can use any FL to start with, right? Can use any FL to start with. When we will study the ignored zones, we use swap FL like you have seen yesterday in the last session. Okay, so now we will discuss about MPL and RS. Okay, so let's open TradingView. Okay, trading. Let's open TradingView. Okay, and here it's smoother. Okay, good. I think that was the problem with Binance platform, and now we are going to find MPL and RS. MPL and RS are very important topics in any zone. There are like a zone. Think like a zone like this. This is a zone. This is a zone. Okay. Whenever price comes to this zone, there may be orders many places, but we should focus on important places, and two important places are MPL and RS, where we should look for the entry, as they give better risk reward with less chance of getting stopped out. So first move we have learned like this, the schema of minor and major FTRs. What happens like this? So think like this: if there is a level in past, what happens? The price comes down like this, cross this, goes up, then come down, then goes up, and then come down. So here there was also a level, and here we have this level. Okay, so we can call this external level, and we can call this internal level. Okay, so what happens here? The price is engulfing, right? Price engulf at one side and fakes out to another side. This one is fake out, right? This was the level in past. Price came back, engulf it, goes up, faked out this level. This level was created while the price was falling. Price fell, goes up, came back again. So here there was level. What price is doing? Engulfing this level and faking out this level, right? So we should always be careful about the fake out and engulfing. If we don't care about fake out, then what will happen? We may get stuck in wrong direction. Some may think it like this, makes a low, goes high, makes lower low, makes higher high, and some may think like here is the QM level, right? Some may think here is some QM level, and they may try to take the entry here and get stuck. But what price will do? Price will fail here and they will either stopped out or get trapped here. That's why this level works. Okay, so what happened here? Price came here, so here to here. If you know about the basic QM structure as we discussed in first session, this is like the QM, this is like bullish QM. Let's change the color of to this, like this. Price makes a low, makes high, makes lower low, makes higher high. So what some guys will do, they will try to enter here and get stuck. Why the price came here. And some will what will do, they will look at this level, breakout traders look at this level, they will see price going up, they will enter here. But what price will do, price will reverse from here, so down. So what will happen? Buyers are also stuck here, right? Am I right? Buyers are trapped here.
Yes.
And trapped here.
Yes.
That is why these two zones creates the zones for us. Trading opportunities here. This zone is called RS zone. Why RS zone? This is at support resistance level. This was for support, right? Price came down, will go up, so this will become resistance level. This is called RS zone, and we call this MPL zone. Why MPL zone? We call this MPL zone. Why? When price came down here, which buyers are at most loss? Which buyers are at the most loss, losing money heavily? Those who bought here. Suppose price is here. Now what will happen? Those who bought here are down by only this price zone, are down by only this price difference from here to here. Their losses are only this at this moment, right? Their losses are only this amount, only this. But those who bought here, they are at the loss of this much or this much. So that's why they are in less pain and they are in most pain. In there are also some guys in between who bought this, but they fall in between, in middle of these two. So most pain are being beared by these buyers and least by these. But as the price has crossed down, so what will happen? When price will go back like this, these guys will try to exit our position. Those who didn't use stop loss or very big stop loss, they will try to exit from position here. right? So due to this, you will see price falling from here, like this. Price may fall till here or till here, like so. Suppose like price is falling from here, right? Okay. Then what price will do? Price will go up again here. Whenever price will go up again here, this will fall heavily again. Why heavily again? They are in the most pain. These buyers are in the most pain, right? So this was the one structure of RS and MPL. There can another structure like this. Price fall from here and came directly here, right? This did not make a minor FTR like this, came directly here. So what will happen? While came directly here and engulf. This is our level in historical level, and what happened here? Price has engulfed. So now this has to fake out. Now what will do? This does not have any past level here, past area here. So what this will do? This will follow a can-can pattern. What is the can-can pattern? Market movers make a fake bull trend here, like this. Price will go up here, came down here, go up here, or may go up here, wait here, and go up here, and then fall from here, right? What is happening here? This is giving the impression of a bull trend like this. And our fake out level will be where? Where will be our fake out level? Here, the
Upside.
price is faking this level. Okay, price came here, engulfed this level, goes up, pull back, goes up. When price cross this, when a price goes this like this, it makes the high, pullbacks makes a low, goes up, and what impression it will give? Price is crossing the high and going up. So what breakout traders will do? They will enter in the market, right? They will try to enter in the market. What will happen? Where will be our MPL zone? Our MPL zone will be here, this area. This area will be our MPL zone, right? This area is our MPL zone, and which will be our RS zone? Which will be our RS zone? Look at this pullback.
Downside.
Yes, at
Yes.
downside, and from here, this will be our RS, right? This will be our RS. And same thing will happen here, like this. Price will come here, then fall from here, or goes up here, and then fall from here. This is how the MPL and RS is created, right? Engulf and fake out also here, price faking out, fake out, right? These two schemas you should always remember. So let's delete it.
Question.
Any question?
Yeah, just a quick question.
Okay.
What if we had, say, 4 bull trends before it reaches the upper level of the flag limit? What would be our
Can
MPL?
you
So,
speak little bit louder?
yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, yes. Actually, at my place it is festival, so
Okay.
there's some fireworks going on, so it is a bit noisy at my place. So please speak louder. Okay.
All right, I'll speak a little louder. I was asking, what happened at the for the bull run? Is it bull run? At that spot, what if we had say three higher highs before it reaches the upper level of the flag limit? What where would be our MPL? Right now, just the two higher highs made. What if you had three or four higher highs? What would be our MPL
That doesn't
zone?
that doesn't matter here. You mean like this? If price, okay, you mean like this, okay? You mean if price, move it here and let's move it. So you mean if price goes like this, like this, like this, right?
Right. Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
and then goes up and fall down like this, right? Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So what you will do, you will use first pullback. You will use first pullback, and our MPL zone will be this one, right? And our RS zone will be this.
Oh, thank you very much.
Okay, and but you will have to remember order transfers. Okay, order transfers means this one was initial pullback. If price came back to, this is also a zone now. If price came back till MPL of this zone, till MPL of this zone, price goes up, cause this high. So what happened here? Here happened engulf at lower time frame. Price pulled back here to MPL zone of this, right? MPL zone of this. So this is the fake out here. Goes up again and came back till the MPL zone of this. So what happened here? The orders have been transferred to here. So our MPL zone will be here, right? You understand now? Order transfer, we haven't studied the order transfer yet, right? So when we'll study order transfer, you'll initially our MPL zone is this, but what is happening here? We are seeing a compression. Price is in compression mode. So what is happening? Orders are transferring to upper side, right? RS is at same level, but MPL is here, right? And this may transfer to here. Our MPL may be only this area, right? This is where the most of the buyers are stuck, right? This will be our MPL zone. This will be our RS. Fine. So you need to use the logic where most of the buyers and sellers entered and how this is going to affect in future, right? So you need to find out these things. And if we look, this was for bearish side. If we look at bullish side, just flip this, okay? And this engulf will come here, breakout will be here, right? This had changed here, right? So this all this will become MPL, this will become, this is MPL and this is RS. Same. Okay, inverted. Okay, engulf will be here and fake out will be here. This schema will be same. Why? The level is changing, level is staying same. So like this, if we flip this like this, what is happening? There was a level, price is engulfing to upside and faking out to downside. Why? This was the level, this was minor FTR, major FTR. So MPL will be here and RS will be here. Same here, price goes up, engulf taking out here, MPL will be here and RS will be here. This is bullish scenario, right? Any question? This was just a, that was bearish scenario and this is bullish scenario. Okay, so now let's
No
remove
question.
this. And okay, any question?
No.
Okay, so now we will move to some examples. We will go to chart and look at some examples. Just delete this. Let's go to chart. Like this. So let's take the like this one. Okay. So think like this. We need to find a good example so you can understand it without much headache. Let's take this zone. First BD side, we are taking BD side. Price came here, goes up, came down. Okay. And let's draw this one. Like this. So which schema is working here? Can anyone tell? Can what is happening here? We are engulfing this zone. Look at this area. Right? The engulf happened this side. We engulf this side. Okay. What is happening here? Price goes up, came down, goes up, right? Do you see this schema? Price came down, goes up, came down, goes up, then came down, right? So where will be our MPL? Our MPL
Top
will
side.
be
Last.
at upside,
Yes.
right? Why? Look at this. MPL will be here. Why the price is faking out here? Do you see this? Right? If we look at here, price fell directly from here to here. There was no minor or major FTR type scheme, right? Fell directly from here, right? This is our this was bullish scheme. We had inverted chart. So what happened here? Price engulfed here, came back down. This is faking out, going up. But if you look at here, price goes straight up. Price goes straight up. There was nothing. If we look at here, here was the resistance area, right? But did not made anything and goes straight up. So here it was price is faking out this zone, going up. So this is our MPL, and this is our RS. Do you see this? This was our MPL. Price came here, MPL here. Price cross this, goes back, come back again, and then goes up again, right? Goes up, bit pullback, but going up again. Price haven't come till MPL now. Look at this. So it's possible the price may fall till here, goes up, or goes up first, come down, then reject from here, or may engulf it directly, and in that case it will become ignored level, right? And now let's look at another one. I will delete this. Okay, so let's look at another, this example. Look at this example. Okay, good example. This is various example. Price fell here, fine. This is our resistance. If we draw it forward, okay, price came here, cross this, pull back, made minor FTR, goes down, goes up again, made major FTR. So what will be our zone? Our zone will be this. Okay, what has happened here? Price fell from here, cause this FTR, this resistance, goes up, came back down. This has must engulf something from the left side, goes up, came down, right? So what will be our FTR? Our FTR, minor FTR is this, major FTR is this. Okay, where will be our MPL? From here to here, right? And where will be our RS? RS will be this zone, this zone, right? Just delete this. Okay, but what happened here? Price came here, this was our MPL, this is our MPL, and this is our RS. Okay, this is our RS. What happened here? Price goes up, take out here, came down, break this to downside again, but did not came down too much. So what happened? The pullback came back directly to our MPL. Price goes back to the MPL and fell down again till here. right? So if we look at left side, like on hourly chart, okay, look at this left side here. If we will here, if we look at here, another support was here. Here was support, okay, and price crossed, right? If we look at here, this is our, let's clear this, and this is our origin of the move. This origin of the move was engulfed here. If we go back to 15 minutes chart, this was our MPL. When price came back, this engulfed here, another zone engulfed here, right? That means price will go back to a zone and then fall down from there. But RS zone, it is just close to the RS zone and didn't fall from here, so goes to MPL zone and fall from here. And till where it will come, it will go. This origin has already been engulfed. What we will see? We will see next zone. Our next zone is where? Our next zone is here. So our target can be till here, right? So if someone shorted from there, entered in this zone from here, and shorting from here with this stop till here at least, is almost 1:7 trade, right? Okay, so now let's move to another example. We have time? Yes, we have bit time. If anyone had question, please ask, or we will move to another example.
Okay.
No question? So we have seen one bullish scenario here, and one bearish scenario here. So let's take the one. Price hasn't reached to there. Let's take here, and okay, here. Let's take some example from here. Okay, and okay, this one was a good example, and we will take it here. Look at this. This is bearish example. We are taking this one. Goes up, came down, goes up. And this. We are taking this. Just make it orange as usual. Okay. So what is happening here? Price coming down, which someone asked the question if there are many pullbacks. So here the example of many pullbacks, right? What is happening here? Price coming down, pulling back, this one, pulling back, this one, pulling back, this one, right? And then taking out, coming down, right? Okay, so our MPL will be Here price is engulfing, here faking out. I'm not writing in this third example. Here price is engulfing something at left side, and here it is faking out to internal made zones. Okay, so our MPL area will be here, right? Our MPL area will be here. Price came back, goes up again to this MPL area. Read this, but what will happen, and our RS area will be here. And the same thing happening here, just came down and pulled back, so goes to MPL area here, right? So what is happening here, what we can do, we can use the logic of order transfer. Here you will see how the magic of order transfer works here. To find out entry, just delete this RS and keep only MPL area, right? This one. So what is happening here, price take this, I'm deleting MPL area as well to explain the order transfer here. So this one was resistance, okay. Here what happened, price goes up till here, came back here, let's make it yellow in color, okay, fine. This one like this, we forward this, came back, goes up. If we forward this block, what happened here, price came back here till here, goes up again, fine. Price goes up again here, okay. And what happened here, price came down, came in here, but if you see this one, this box is very big. What will do, it will ruin our risk reward. If we enter in this box, right, price has come till down here, it will go down here, right? So if we trade this box, entry here, stop loss here, and target here, so this is just 1:3 risk reward trade. But what we can do, using the order transfer again for lower time frame, we can, what we can, here it was a minor FTR, right? So what is happening here, if we take minor FTR here, price crossing this box below, price crossing here, going up here, making minor FTR, going down, making major FTR. So if we take only the major FTR, what will happen, minor FTR here, okay. So if we take this and change this color in green color, green or teal color, okay, teal color. So what happened here, price was this, cross this to upside using order tracking. This was our downward box, and this is our upward box will be created here, like this, okay. What happened here, price goes up, came down again, and what happened here, this has made this area, this swap goes up here, and if we look at this, You will see this is a good entry here. Good entry will be here. Till here. Okay. There is downside order tracking. What we will do? We will do upside order tracking. How upside order tracking will happen? Look at this box. Forward it and try to find the order here. Find the engulf here. How you will do this? We will go to lower time frame. Lower time frame, I will draw a horizontal vertical line here, and we will go to lower time frame 5 minutes. Okay, let's see on 5 minutes if we find something. Okay, can you find something here? We still don't find anything here, right? So what will happen? We will go to lower time frame 1 minute. We are at the bit stamp. That's maybe a feed problem. We will go to BTC USDT. Perpetual future. Okay, perpetual track the US perpetual contract finance. Okay. And going to honest time where we were analyzing here. Guys, focus here. You will see the difference between the spot price and future price. We were analyzing on Bitstamp, and this was our box, right? This was our box. Okay, and this was our RS. This was our RS. What is happening here? We go to 15 minutes. This is being like this. Right? This one. Okay. This is our FTR and this is our FL as well. Look at this. Price goes up, came down, goes up. So this became our FL, and then this was our swap FL. And now we are do swap using, this was our major FTR, major swap. What we will do now? We will use minor. Price cross this here. Look at this. Was this? Like, let's do this with teal color. Okay. Price goes up. Cross this here. Do like this. Fine. Do this much more accurately till here to till here. Okay, now price goes up and came down again, cross this, pull back till here. Do you see the pullback? This candle. If you look at here, with the logic of DP and FTR, this is our DP, right? This is our DP for this swap. DP is here. This one is our DP and this one is our swap. This is our swap. Okay. So if we are trading with our this one, if we are trading with this one, what will happen? If we use order tracking to narrow down our zone, what will happen? Orders are in this zone, but this zone become much smaller for us, right? In this case, if we trade till here, here it will be our target, base is here. So if we trade from here to here, here will be our entry, where will be our stop. Till here, target will be till here. What will happen? This trade becomes 1:23. But in past we were trading this bigger zone, so this was only our 1:3 trade. Okay, like 1:3.94 versus 1:23.81. So this is the benefit of learning order tracking, and I think we should stop here. Any question, anyone? Anyone have any question? Hello?
Yes, I'm here. I just have to go over the video.
Okay, so watch the video and practice it. At least post 10 examples in LinkedIn group, and I will check and do practice, right? Okay, so we will stop here.
Question.
Yes.
Did you see my post in LinkedIn? I'm not sure if I'm doing it wrong, but I sent a few chats, but I didn't see any response.
If you post in LinkedIn in the group, I will see it. Or you can also do mention me in that post, and I will get a notification. Then I will see it. Okay. If you post in LinkedIn group, of course I will get notification. And if you mention me also there in post, but so I will get double notification. Okay, fine.
Okay.
Okay. So let's stop here.